Boots on the ground. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, your host. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device. The scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. You can go to your local bookstore. You can ask for Mickey D books, DEE, and just buy them all like people do. And you'll make maybe make a little money. The object here is not to make you rich, but to make you comfortable. That's what we talk about all the time, making you comfortable. And we think we can do that, and we've done that in the past, ladies and gentlemen. But we're going to take a look at a little bit of uranium. We're going to take a look at a video I did years ago, and a lot of videos are popping up. You guys feel free to put this on Reddit or whatever because they don't want me to put my video. You guys are making too much money. You're doing too well, and it's coming from me, from the scoop with Mickey D, who's not even supposed to be around. He's just in the way, giving us these great stocks. Don't you know? Don't you know, Mickey D? I charge $5,000 to give people one of the stocks that you're giving people in your baby knockout newsletter. You're giving them 10 for $99 for a year, and I'm charging thousands for one. So Mickey D, what gives here? I don't know. That may be the reason that I've hanged. The guy, I'm not part of the boys club. Yes, you guys have known this for years, and I've told you for years. I'm not part. So help me out. Um, Frank, thank you on Twitter. He's got me covered. My Navy buddies, my shipmates, they come through all the time. Mark, they come through all the time. They're great. Shipmates are great. But anyway, we're gonna take a look at this video here. I'm gonna get just an update. I won't take you guys through that. It's just gonna be quick and short and sweet. I know you're with your family. You're having a good time. That's great. That's great. You over in Arizona, if you happen to be in the Arizona area, make sure you get a hold of me. Like I told you, we got something planned, something for you. You can hit me at McFray, MICFRA underscore loans at yahoo.com. McFray, MICFRA underscore loans at yahoo.com. Now, that's the same email address that you can contact me if you want the information for the Baby Knockout newsletter. So we'll have that information there too. Or you can, Mickey D, MICKEY, DEE 100. Mickey D 100 is my cash app. And if you want to, like I said, $99, the Baby Knockout newsletter, you get all that information and it's all there for you, ladies and gentlemen. But let's take a look here at maybe 3, 4 of these stocks that just a few years ago, because a lot of these videos are popping up from a few years ago, especially some of the rare earths right now. Some of these stocks, like I was telling you, 17, 20 cents or what have you, they're over $1 now. A lot of those stocks, our research indicated there was something there. So, a lot of these rare earths are coming, but our initial research, we tend to, on our arm, we dance with the partner, with the girl you bring to or the guy you come to you go to the prom with or what have you. You dance with that partner, and that's what we're doing. There's going to be a lot of companies, a lot of things going on and all that. They're going to Johnny come lately. Everybody, horse pasture. We got this, we got that. You don't have anything, but they'll, they want your hardworking dinero. Let's go with the people that we know, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go with the management teams. Let's go with the projects. Let's go with the people that we really, really know. And we've known for years and years and years. And we've made money with these people for years and years and years. And we know what time it is with them. But without further ado, let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, your host, the Baby Knockout GOAT, ladies and gentlemen. We've been killing it lately. Want to talk about a little bit of nuclear energy here. I remember being at the Bitcoin 2025, and I told you energy was a big theme there, and that was really what I got out of Bitcoin 2025 was we're going to need a lot of energy, for a plethora of things. But the Trump administration is doing all they can do to push this theme, ladies and gentlemen. Nuclear power is finally getting its moment in the sun and maybe on the moon. The new Trump administration is pushing for both expansion of existing nuclear power plants and development of small scale reactors, small modular reactors that we call, that are faster and cheaper to build. Advocates say new nuclear generating capacity is necessary in large part to meet the growing demands of artificial intelligence computing. We all know that this 24-hour baseload power is going to be quite an answer to what's going on, ladies and gentlemen. You can read the articles. There's a plethora of articles everywhere that you can read. Let me show you the stocks. Uh, a few years ago, I did 6 uranium uh, undervalued baby knockouts for the long game. I was talking about uranium, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking about uranium. Those uranium is the fuel, ladies and gentlemen, used for the nuclear reactors. And as we go nuclear energy, we're going to need more and more fuel. That is the thesis we bought hook, line, and sinker early on, ladies and gentlemen. We said, well, there's going to be a lot of demand, but the supply is suspect when it comes to nuclear energy. When it comes to uranium, the supply is suspect, but everybody wants that cheap nuclear energy, clean energy. It's going to be fantastic when it comes out. Let's take a look though at a few of those stocks that were in those six. One was Chemical. Now our leader Chemical right now. When I'm going to leave it, you fact check me. I'm going to leave it up here, ladies and gentlemen. Fact check me. Chemical was $20, and it was. I said it was on sale. What is it now? 77.70. It's done exceptionally well right now. Take a look at Cameco. Another stock that was undervalued in that video was Uranium Energy Corp, UEC. Now, UEC was $3.18. It's currently up to double digits here, over $10. So it's doing very well, USD. Now, all these stocks can pull back and it'll still be very, very healthy, ladies and gentlemen. They can pull back. Another stock that was on that list of six was Denison Mines. Now, this is my third uranium bull market with Denison Mines. Denison Mines has always done me well. The last the great bull market that I traded from '04 to '07 in uranium, got in there and worked with guys at Doug Casey, late James Dines, Wayne Brantland. They got me into all these stocks. Rick Rule was doing his thing. All these guys were really really instrumental in me kind of making a lot of money in the '04 to '07. And then I did my research but Denison Mines I dropped off as a 13-year-old, as a teenager, from these low levels in that uranium bull market. But Denison has a personality. You can look at the videos. I've done countless videos on Denison. You can look at the playlist. But Denison is one of those stocks that it's going to land on its feet when it's over and done with. I said it had a date with $10, double digits this cycle. I believe it still has that date plan for double digits with this cycle. And I'm having problems with why am I having problems? Why are you having problems, Mickey D, with your internet? I don't know, man. Some say it's Chinese, man. I don't know why I'm having problems with the internet. The last company that I guess it's the last. I don't know. I want to show you here is Encore. Encore was roughly. It's had its ups and downs, but we're sticking with it. We liked it back in the day when it was 12 cents. We liked it when it was uh, 15 cents. We liked it when in this 3 years ago when I did the video, and it was approximately 87 cents or so. Fact check me, guys. Look at the video here that I'm going to put up here. That's enough of this. That's enough of this. Let me turn this thing around. I'm having problems with the internet and all. Let's do it. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you again for joining me on the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, as you know, the baby knockout goat. Ladies and gentlemen, uranium. How to invest in uranium now. This book, number 7, as you know, I have the 10 best uranium stocks to invest in now. People say, "Oh, Mickey D, you wrote that book 5 years ago." It's happening now. The same thing with the gold and silver books. It's happening now. It's called advanced research. It's getting ahead of Wall Street. That's how we win. We were looking at these rare earths 6, 7, 8 years ago. I was doing videos on them and doing research reports and papers and everything on them and talking about them and saying this day was going to come when America was in trouble. We're in trouble now. That's why a lot of these stocks are blowing up. But sure as tomorrow or today the sun will come out, or they say that we're not promised tomorrow. But ladies and gentlemen, the president is going to get together next week with the I think it's Friday. He scheduled something with uh, Putin. Surely they're going to talk about uranium. I guarantee you that they're going to talk about uranium, and the president's going to try and work out a deal with him where we can get some of that cheap Kastatom uranium or anything from Kazakhstan, from that area. Should be any deal that they talk about from that area should be treated with a healthy level of skepticism, shall we say, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, it's like that right now. We're bull markets everywhere. It's beautiful, beautiful time for us. We're enjoying it. I'm going to leave the link to the Scoop store so you guys can go get you some t-shirts, get you some mugs, and enjoy life. Excuse me. Enjoy life, ladies and gentlemen. It's not very often when you get bull markets in all these areas. And believe me when I tell you, we're going to have bull markets for a while. Interest rates are going to be going down. It's going to be good for commodities. It's going to be good for our gold and silver baby knockouts, which haven't shown any sign yet of any type of pullback. But it would be healthy if they did pull back. Some of these stocks, ladies and gentlemen, are going up, up, up. We can't. It can't be a parabolic move on these stocks. You get nervous when you have months of going up. I like to see a pullback because that's healthy. I'm not going to say we're going to get our our customary 20% plus pullbacks in any of these commodities, in any of our trades. But at 10 to 15% now, like I've told my private students, if you get 10, 15% pullback right now, jump on it. Jump all on it, ladies and gentlemen. Jump on it. Excuse me as it's all good. I'm loving it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, if you're in the Arizona area, make sure you holler because we have something special for you in Arizona. So let us know, ladies and gentlemen. It's been wonderful. I did lose a member. My brother-in-law, there, Rod, had passed away. God bless him. God bless the family. Um, they'll be stronger and they'll overcome this, ladies and gentlemen. We want to say our prayers for them. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. You need strength, energy, you need guidance. Look up, ladies and gentlemen. Look up. Thank you. God bless you.